Hello, and welcome to a game making session with Let the Games Begin. When you sit down in front of our product, this is the page that you're going to see. And since we're interested in making a word search puzzle, we're going to go straight to making games and click the first word search option. Now, I like to work on a smaller worksheet page. We try to have people work as if they're at a word processor. So here's a sample worksheet, and there's 6 parts to it, and I'm going to work from the top to the bottom, and you can see the first thing that happens is the name line at the top appears in this little box down here, and I can clear that, add the values that I want in there, and even type in something that's not in the option list, and what I write in the box appears up at the top on the page. And then I can do the same thing with the title line, the subtitle line, and the instructions. And if I don't like something I've done, I can go back and change it. Now, the next option is to work on a larger page, a full-size page, so you know exactly what your product is going to look like. And here you just click on the area you want to change. You can delete things. You can use the options to say put them in bold and maybe make them a little larger. And you can do that with all the different text areas. And the most important part of a word search puzzle, though, is the grid. And here you can choose the directions that you're going to hide the words in. We're using left to right, top to bottom, upper left to lower right, but we're going to add bottom to top as well here. Now my students, they like a challenge, so this grid is 12 by 12, but I'm going to make it a little longer, 14, and a little wider, 14 instead of 12. And now the grid is bigger, but it's taking up a bit more size, so I'm going to shrink the size of the cells and shrink the size of the letters so they don't look too big in the cells. There we go, and now we're ready. This is where I add the words, and there's 2 ways you can put the words in the puzzle. You can simply type dog, cat, pig, and there's a spell checker, so you don't have to worry about making spelling mistakes. It will tell you if you do. And when you have the words that you think are sufficient for a puzzle, you just hit Make Puzzle, and that box goes to the bottom where the words are now in alphabetical order and serve as a word bank for the kids. And you can press on the grid again and go up and hit Show Solution, and you can see where the words are, so you don't have to look for them yourself. Now, another way to put the words in that I think is faster is to use our prepared word list. And we have word lists of adjectives, adverbs, animals, birds. We're doing animals, so we'll go here. There's 100 animals in this list, and you can just click on them. Cat, cow, chicken. We're going to have dog, dinosaur, goat, goose, and then you think, oh, there's no dinosaurs on a farm. So we'll just hit dinosaur, and it comes out. And we can make a puzzle here, right? And I'll show you the solution for that, right? It's that simple. Thanks for listening.